Let's do a hardware overview of the new Kodak S2085S S3000 series scanners. First of all, you can see that the scanner is very similar to the i3000 series scanner in initial appearance. It does have a little bit wider frame to accommodate the touchscreen. It comes in either 4 or 5 A3 models, depending upon your regions, with speed points of 60 pages, 100 pages, and 120 pages per minute, with flatbed options in the 60 and 100 page per minute scanners. There's also an A4 only model, which looks very similar to this, the S2085F model, also including a flatbed that is, of course, 85 pages per minute. As you can see, the input tray is very similar to the i3000 series. There is, as I'll mention later, a new feature to control the sensitivity of the downforce on the feed rollers. What is drastically new is the output tray. So you can see that the output tray now has a tilting option. It has an end stop feature that folds up, similar to that which is on the Kodak i4000 series scanner. It extends out as well. And there are now exit side guides that can be adjusted to fit your paper that you're scanning. So this should give much more flexibility to the output stacking options you'll have on this model. Similar to the i3000 series scanner, there is a control on the side for lowering the separation roller. Pretty much the same feature we have on the i3000. You can see in the inside we still have one multi-feed sensor. We have new black rollers. If I can get into show you that in focus. They are the same roller configuration, but a slightly different material, now in black. Should wear a little bit better than the i3000 series scanner rollers did. Also, new imagers. These are now CIS imagers as opposed to the CCD imagers we had in the i3000 series scanner. We have just as good a quality, if not better, than the i3000 series with this imager, and allows us to create a much better output format than the i3000. If we take a look at the back of the machine and zoom in a little bit here, you can see that we have now a USB 3 connector and a Ethernet connector, which allows us to have the same network functionality as we do on the smaller Kodak S2000W models, the 60W and the 80W. The same printer accessory works for both the i3000 and the new S3000 series scanner. So that's this connectivity port here. And if I move over here, it has the same rear exit tray feature as the i3000. In general, very similar in size to the i3000, completely different internal architecture. This scanner has built-in image processing. It's the same architecture that we use in the the S2000 series, but with more powerful DSPs so that we can keep up with the 120 page per minute speeds that you're going to get out of this model. So even though it looks very similar on the outside, the architecture for handling images within it is completely new. It's taken the best of the i3000 series scanner and the the architecture for imaging of the S2000 and made the new i3000 S2085F series scanners.